Lakshmi, please tell us about yourself.
My name is Lakshmibai Mallikarjun Venur. I belong to Indi, Vijaypur district, and I completed my graduation in BLDA Engineering College with specification of electrical and electronics. And I completed my PUC in Gurbaswa PU College in Indi. And I completed my schooling in Bashweshwar High School in Indi only. And my hobbies are cooking and listening music. Thank you, sir. That's all about me.
Very good. Tell us about your family.
In my family, there are 5 members are there, including me, my father, mother, and 2 elder brothers. My father is Mallikarjun Venur. He is doing hotel business in our village town. And my mother, she is a Gurbai Venur. She is a homemaker.
Oh, good. Very good. So when did you complete your degree?
In 2019, sir.
2019. So
Yes.
which exams you have been writing? Are you working somewhere now?
No, sir.
No. Which exams have you been writing?
Banking only, sir.
Banking. Achha. Have you attended any other interview earlier?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now the questions are, what do you know about the digital banking? What do you know about digital banking?
Digital banking, there is the online banking, the online offering the banking and financial servicing in digital form, where we can be fund can be transferred through online, sir. And
Please tell something more. For example, digital banking means what are the different types of digital banking we have? Like, say, mobile banking, then
yes, internet banking.
Please tell.
Internet banking, mobile banking.
That's all.
Yes.
So many bankings have come. WhatsApp banking, then banking through wallets. Then I think you are. Yes, so many have come, and I will tell you.
Okay,
Here, this is telling about missed call banking and other then e-commerce. Everything can be brought under digital banking. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. So, what do you know about cyber crimes? And tell me a few points about cyber crimes. What are the types of cyber crimes that are happening, and how they can be prevented? What is cyber crime?
Cyber crime is it will be the fire. So I don't know, sir. But
What are five types top cyber crimes? One, phishing scams, website spoofing, a ransomware, malware, then IoT hacking. You know about these things? What is IoT hacking and all? No.
Internet, no, sir. IoT, I know, sir, but
Internet of Things, na?
yes, sir. No, sir. There is no subject in my.
For you, it was
not, sir.
It was not there. Correct.
Yes, sir. Electronics and communications were there, sir.
Oh, so
yes.
this is what I am showing you now. See, please read this.
Okay, sir.
Read.
Here are 5 of the top cyber crimes affecting the businesses and individuals in 2022. Phishing scams, website spoofing, and ransomware, and malware, IoT hacking.
What are the popular cyber crimes? Phishing. You please read this also.
Popular cyber crimes are phishing, wishing, and smishing, and farming was the top crime type with 3,23,572 reports received in 2021. It was followed by the non-payment and non-delivery, personal data breach, identity theft and extortions with 82,478, 51,829, 51,629, and 39,360 reports received respectively.
This is the major problem now going on. That is extortion of funds. Like,
Yes, sir.
what happens? They send you one, say, loan app. And if you click that loan app, all your details will be taken by them easily. And
Okay, sir.
using that, they will disburse some small amount to you initially. And after 1 week, they will start pressurizing you for giving higher amounts in return, and they will use extortion measures, like, say, they will tell your details to others, and they will try to victimize on you. So this is the latest type of thing happening. And phishing is the famous thing, whereby they will take the particulars about you, your password, your ID and all, and using that they will withdraw funds from your own account. For example, they will take OTP from you and access your own bank account.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, which is India's cyber crime capital. You know that?
No, sir, I didn't read about cyber crimes.
No, this is the one. The place is Jamatara in Jharkhand.
And okay, sir.
Jharkhand. That is the
Yeah.
place where young boys and girls, they are trained from their +2 or 10th itself to talk in different languages, talk in different tones, and
Okay,
try
sir.
to. I think you must have heard this in your Tamil. We get lot of YouTube videos on this. I think you must be getting similar ones in Kannada also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting or not? You must have.
No,
Hmm? You must have seen them, because 1 minute, Kannada. What is that?
OTP
Yeah,
fraud.
OTP fraud videos, something like that. We will try. I think.
Okay, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್. ನಾನು ಸೊ ಏನದು ಅಂತದ್ದು ಫ್ರಾಡು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು, ಗೂಗಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ,
so
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್
so this is like
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೇರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಚಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
do you get the point?
Okay, sir. I will see, sir. After.
ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Fraud calls.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್, ನಿಂದ ATM ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ರಿನಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, 4214 ಇದೆ, 6072 ಇದೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಐತಿ ಸರ್.
So this is the thing. So I'm not threatening you, but I'm
Okay.
just telling you why I am showing more interest on this. Today, in 2-3 people, they have asked only this type of questions about
Okay.
cyber crime and all that. So you must be preparing yourself for that also. Okay.
sir.
What is
Okay.
cryptocurrency?
Yes, sir. It is a digital currency. It's a digital currency where we can be transfer the amount, like examples like Bitcoins. We can use to transfer the funds.
But some proper words are to be used for this cryptocurrency. For cryptocurrency, we have to tell cryptocurrency is a digital currency that does not rely on any central authority
Sir. Yes, sir.
to uphold or maintain it. Instead, transaction ownership data is stored in digital ledger using
Yes.
distributed ledger technology. To be frank, I am reading this for 1000th time, and
Okay, sir.
still I cannot understand this because it's all very technical. That's the thing. So, but you people must be able to know. They may ask questions on this. Be
Okay,
ready
sir.
for that. Good. Then another point they are telling is that they may ask some current affair questions or simple banking questions and all. Be ready. So which your native place is Bijapura?
Yes, sir, Vijaypur, sir.
For what reason your place is famous?
It's Gummata Nagari, sir, Gol Gumbaz, which is a second largest circular dome in the world, sir.
Good.
Yes, it is 44.5 meter diameter. That's first largest circular dome is Saint Mariel, which is presented in Italy, sir. And also it is an ancient city in 11th and 10th century, Vijaypur. In there is many more architectural monuments are present where we can see.
Very good. Okay, that is one. Apart from
Ibrahim Roja,
what is the main important profession of people in Bijapur? Only agriculture or something else?
Agricultural, sir, almost.
What is the crops grown?
Crops are maize and jola, sir. Jawar, sir.
Very good. So what are the
cotton, lemon?
Okay. What is your preference for posting? Are you willing to go anywhere in India?
Yes, sir. I can willing to anywhere.
Then when
if I know Hindi and also cooking, sir. I will be managed anywhere.
When was Karnataka Bank nationalized?
It's not nationalized, so it is private sector bank.
Good. Why was Karnataka Bank not nationalized when other banks were nationalized?
Because there the shareholder should be below 51%. If its shareholding is 51% or above 51% to the government bank, that will be the public sector bank.
No, not that way.
Okay,
this Karnataka Bank was not nationalized because its deposit was less than 50 crores in 1969.
Okay, sir.
And its deposit was less than 200 crore in 1980.
Okay, sir.
So 2 times banks were nationalized, one in 1969, another in 1980.
Okay, sir.
This was the norms fixed. So since Karnataka Bank was having less than that, this bank was not nationalized. Could you follow?
Sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Very good. What is NPA?
It's a non-performing assets where the loans of the interest will be remains due for 3 months, that is 90 days. It will be called as non-performing assets.
Can you name 2 or 3 more private sector banks?
Yes, sir. HDFC, ICICI Bank, and IDBI Bank, and Axis Bank.
Good. Can you tell me what is RTGS? What is NEFT?
Yes, sir. National Electronic Fund Transfer, and RTGS means real-time gross settlement. In NEFT, there should be a fund can be transferred with in batch wise. And in RTGS, the fund can be transferred real time, that is instantly fund can be transferred.
Super.
There is no minimum and maximum limit for NEFT, and in RTGS there should be a minimum limit for 2 lakh and no maximum limits.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. What is the expansion of CBS?
This core banking solution, sir.
What is the core banking solution used in Karnataka Bank?
It is the banking transactions can be done done through the branches, sir. Quickly in branches, sir. And fund can be also.
No, it is Finacle. Infosys Finacle. The advantage of core banking is that the customers can deposit money in another branch of the bank also.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. Now, can you tell me what is ATM?
Automated teller machine, sir. By using ATM, we can be withdraw the money and also deposit the money and also get the mini statements about the transactions. And also As details about the balance inquiry also done, sir, by using ATMs.
Very good. What is bank assurance?
Bank assurance, it is a combination of the bank and insurance company, where we can provide the insurance to the through banks, provide the insurance through banks, insurance facility to the persons.
Yeah. So why banks are doing insurance business?
There should.
Because they will get commission
Okay.
for whenever bank canvasses insurance policies, they will get commission. Similarly, when they canvass some mutual fund products for investment, they will also get commission. This is known as non-fund based income.
Okay, sir.
Fund based income is that interest you get from loans.
Okay, sir.
And apart from this, there is one more source of income for the bank. What is that source?
Interest on loans, sir.
Interest on loans, I told you. That is already, that is fund-based interest.
Mutual funds, investment in mutual.
That also, that is a non-fund based. That's also we have discussed. First we discussed that. Then I told about loan interest. Apart from that, there is one more source through which bank can get income. What is that? Through investment of banks in government securities.
Oh, yes, sir.
They will get interest. Not only that, through what? Through through government securities one, through dividends, that is shares dividends. The banks invest in shares, so they will get dividends also. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Very good. Describe a check to me. Bank check.
Check where can be check is a where we can be transfer the funds. In checks there are 5 types of checks: bearer checks, order checks, and cross checks, antedated check, and post dated checks. Yes,
Okay, tell me what are they?
The bearer check, where can be, it is a normal check for the where check can fund can be transferred. It is also a risky check because it will be ಇದು ಕಳೀತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
Good. You're talking Kannada. Good, talk in Kannada. No problem. What is a stale check? What is a stale check? Tell me in Kannada.
Stale check 3 ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೂ ಅದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 months also we can be transfer the funds.
No. You're telling wrongly. If it is dated 3 months older than today's date, it is known as stale check.
Okay, sir.
That is, today's date is what, 8th September.
Okay, sir.
If the check is dated as 7th June 2022, then it is a stale check.
Okay, sir.
So that is 3 months. It should not be more than 3 months old.
Okay, sir. It is before, sir.
That is the definition they have given. Good.
Okay, sir.
Very good. So, do you have any questions, any doubts?
Yes, once in Telegram page, sir, I got one question, sir.
What is it? Lot of questions are there in Telegram. I have posted so many questions.
Sir, NVA, what is that is?
What is that?
NVA, sir. I don't know, sir. What is NVA?
NVA?
Yes, sir. In interview questions they ask.
What? NVA. Net
Yes,
asset value, not NVA. NAV, net asset value.
Okay, sir.
Net asset value means what? 1 minute, we will see. That is, it comes in the case of, say, mutual fund. Net asset value or NAV of an investment company is the company's total assets minus total liabilities.
Okay,
See this? net asset value. Net asset value of
Yes, sir.
this is what it is. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So I am giving this link, this posting in our Telegram page.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then
And also ODD, sir.
ODD, overdue
Yes.
deposit, overdue deposit.
Okay, sir.
Overdue deposit means the, for example, the check is the deposit is maturing on 7th September. If it is not renewed, today it will be in overdue deposit.
Okay, sir.
Whereas nowadays banks don't have this problem because they banks, you know what they do, they automatically renew the deposit.
Okay, sir.
The computer is given instruction, and in the absence of specific instruction, it will be automatically renewed.
Okay, sir.
So that is known as, so there will not be any amount outstanding in ODD, overdue deposit. Any other doubt?
If they asked about bonds, sir, I didn't read about the bonds and all.
Which one?
The bonds, sir, bonds and types of bonds are there.
Bonds, types of bonds. Say normally bonds, good question. I think we discussed one day about this. Types of bonds, India. So many bonds are there. Babre bab.
Yes.
Fixed rate bond, floating rate bond, sovereign gold bond, inflation indexed bond. But all you don't require this much. You know,
Okay.
only this fixed rate bond means
Okay.
they will take the money for 5 years. They will pay fixed rate of interest.
Okay, sir.
Now, recently, Bank of Maharashtra, State Bank of India, they have all raised bonds from the market at 8.74%. To yesterday's news, you must read newspaper.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then also search for sovereign gold bond scheme. Sovereign gold bond means it is introduced by Reserve Bank of India, whereby instead of buying gold, you can now invest at the present rate of gold, and you will get 2.5% interest also. And at the end of the 5-year period, you are eligible to get back gold of that value.
Okay, sir.
So this is what it is. So you please see this also.
Okay, sir.
Good. Thank you. I will now close this video
Yes, sir.
and
Thank you.
and come in our class video link. You know class video link.
Yes, sir. I have, sir.
We will come in that, so that we'll come after 5 minutes, so that we will
Okay, sir.
continue that. Who is going to take the next interview? Anybody by name?
Sir,
Purnima. What is your number starting, Purnima?
9483.
Very good. So you will be the first participant who will take the interview there. I will come there after 5 minutes. Now it is 10. Sorry, what is the time there?
751, sir.
7:51. I'll come around 7:58 or so.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Others
Okay.
also, you can join me in class Zoom. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.